Hey, Tiffany Wood here from Clever Marketers with another marketing minute for you. So you might be wondering why your customers aren't sticking around. Well, it's probably because they don't trust you yet. So here's how we'd fix that. First, you want to be transparent. So share your processes, your challenges, and your wins with them. Let people see the real you. You want to deliver value first and stop selling. Start by helping your customers. If you give people a reason to listen to you by being authentic and dropping the corporate talk and talking like a human being. Also, by showing up consistently for your customers, the trust will build over time. So stay visible and reliable. Listen and adapt. Your customers are telling you what they want. So just make sure you're paying attention. Trust isn't a given. It's something that's earned. So put in the work and the loyalty will follow. What's a brand you trust and why? Drop it in the comments.